Okay, we've lined this out. We've straightened this up a little bit. We've got some reference lines made across. So we're going to start with the nose with our farthest part out first. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. See, we'll line this out here. We need to take these pieces off, and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.